Are you dreaming about buying your first home in beautiful Santa Barbara, California? Before you take that big step, stop right here. Buying in a luxury market like Santa Barbara can be exciting, but it can also be overwhelming. That's why in this video, I'm sharing powerful insider tips that will help first-time homebuyers not just find a home, but buy smart, avoid costly mistakes, and create a future you'll love. Greetings. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg with Bloomberg Global Real Estate, powered by eXp Luxury. I serve Santa Barbara, the Santa Ynez Valley, and Palm Springs, and my passion is helping people just like you take that next big step in life with confidence. Whether you're a young professional, a family starting out, or someone investing for the first time, I want to guide you so your first purchase in Santa Barbara sets you up for success. Let's get into the heart of it. My best tips for first-time homebuyers in Santa Barbara. Tip number 1. Understand the market reality. Santa Barbara is one of the most competitive luxury markets in California. The charm, the coastline, the lifestyle, it all comes with high demand. Before you start looking, get clear on what you can afford and what you're willing to compromise on. Location, size, or features? Something may need to give, but I'll help you prioritize what truly matters. Tip number 2, get pre-approved, not just pre-qualified. In this market, sellers want serious buyers. Having a solid pre-approval in hand makes your offer stronger and shows that you're ready to close. This step alone can put you ahead of dozens of other buyers. Tip number 3, think beyond the house. Think lifestyle. Santa Barbara isn't just about owning a home, it's about choosing the lifestyle you want. Do you picture mornings by the beach, evenings downtown, or a peaceful neighborhood near the foothills? Your neighborhood choice will shape your everyday life, so let's align your dream lifestyle with your budget and goals. If this is already sparking ideas for you, don't just stop here. Connect with me. I've helped many first-time buyers successfully navigate this market, and I'd love to share my strategies with you one-on-one. You'll find my Calendly link right in the description. Book a quick consultation today. Let's proceed with tip number 4. Know the true costs of ownership. In Santa Barbara, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance can add up. And if you're considering a condo or townhome, you'll want to factor in HOA fees. Don't stretch yourself so thin that you can't enjoy your new life here. Tip number 5, be ready to act quickly, but don't skip inspections. Homes in this area can move fast, but that doesn't mean you should rush blindly. Always do your due diligence. Get a thorough inspection. From foundation to roof, you want to know exactly what you're buying. Tip number 6, leverage local expertise. This is where I come in. As a local agent deeply connected to the Santa Barbara community, I can often alert my clients to opportunities before they hit the market. That insider access could be the difference between finding your dream home or missing out. Quick reminder, homes in Santa Barbara don't wait, and neither should you. If you're serious about buying your first home here, schedule your consultation with me now. My Calendly link is below, or just scan the QR code you'll see at the end of this video. Let's get your plan in motion before the right home slips away. Let's continue with the tip number 7. Think long-term value. Your first home doesn't have to be your forever home, but it should be a smart investment. Santa Barbara real estate has historically held and grown in value. I'll guide you toward areas that balance affordability today with appreciation potential tomorrow. Tip number 8, don't go it alone. Buying your first home can be emotional, overwhelming, and full of unknowns. That's why working with a trusted advisor is so important. My role isn't just to help you buy. I'm here to educate you, protect your investment, and make sure your first step into Santa Barbara real estate feels confident, not stressful. So here's the bottom line. Buying your first home in Santa Barbara is absolutely possible, but you need the right strategy and the right guidance. Don't let excitement turn into regret. Let's make this journey exciting, smart, and successful together. If you're ready to take that next step, grab your phone right now and scan the QR code on your screen. It'll take you directly to my Calendly where you can book a free consultation with me. No pressure, just clarity and guidance. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg with Bloomberg Global Real Estate, serving Santa Barbara, the Santa Ynez Valley, and Palm Springs. And I can't wait to help you turn your first home dreams into reality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our consultation.